What's up, guys? Welcome back to Isis, my oasis on wheels. As you can see, I didn't die. Last night was a success. I did my first night alone in Isis, and I slept in the YMCA parking lot. I actually met one of the locals right behind the YMCA. He was just kind of checking out my van, checking out the RV, and sussing out the vibe. And he was actually super cool. He said I was totally welcome. He was just a little concerned because sometimes people run into his fence, and I could tell that it looked like there had been a couple of incidents there. But yeah, today we are at Cunningham Lake in San Jose. It's like 80 something degrees today. It's super fucking hot. But I'm gonna give you guys a look very shortly at some of the things I got going on to help keep it cool in here. I got a little USB fan right there, hanging right there. All the windows are open at the moment. I got my visor up and some of these blackout curtains that I'll show you. All the windows aren't blocked off because I do want some of that breeze, and I parked under the trees here just to give myself a little extra shade. But yeah, come check it out. Right here, you can see we got the front visor set up. There's the USB fan. I believe I got this from Five Below, either Five Below or Amazon a long time ago. It still works great. I use it for camping a lot. And then let me just put this back here. That is hand sanitizer. Don't mind it. Got this little window open, blocked with my jacket for a little more shade. This window I got open and half blocked. Sun's pretty much coming in from the back here. So I don't know if you guys saw this up close, but here is my black light reactive tapestry. I love this one, and I do have a black light, so once I get that all set up and the electrical figured out in here, this is gonna look really cool. The window is cracked inside as well, so when I leave, I'm gonna put this up so that the breeze keeps coming through. We also have this open for a little extra breeze. Open it some more. There's actually a fan there that I haven't managed to turn on yet, but that's also supposed to help with ventilation once you shower in here, And then, just took the tapestry down with me. That's all right, we'll fix that. Got this window open, blackout curtain here. I put the white ones up instead of the black one and the white one, just so that I could get a little daylight and it's not super dark in here. But yeah, that's what we got going on. I bought some coal and a few groceries. I'll show you the fridge is on, and I was a little concerned that it wasn't going to cool down, but I actually went and bought a little bag cooler, little tote cooler. It's actually starting to cool down in here a little bit, and some ice in the freezer. And surprisingly, it is cooling down. So I'm gonna stop trying to open that so much because I've been checking it out, some leftover pho there. That I'm gonna make for I guess I ate breakfast super late today, y'all, so I don't know what meal it is, what time it is. Look at all these little squirrels. What's up, dudes? And this is, that's where I'm gonna go grill, right over there. This is Lake Cunningham Park. There are so many pavilions, so much space, little volleyball court there, lots of parks spread out. There's at least 4 or 5 lots this size, guys, at this park. And as you can see back there's a lot of people outside, a lot of people here, so really cool to see all the families, everybody outside enjoying the weather, and we're gonna go do the same. So I got some eggs. I got a bunch of stuff that really doesn't need to be refrigerated that I'll show you guys here. A couple seasonings here, just some Himalayan salt, some black pepper, and some garlic and herb. Got a bowl, some utensils, some cookware, some apples, squash, onion, avocados, just some basic things so I can whip up some toast. I got bread in there, and yeah, that don't really need to be refrigerated. Next time I catch you guys will be outside. Alright, y'all, I did about 3 bowls. There's a light bowl in there, you see? Did about 3 of those. We got maybe like a third of the bucket full, so that's really all you need. Alright guys, so our dishes are all clean. Making our way back over to the RV. And I got a little bit of water in there just for after I'm done eating. I can just do like a quick rinse. I think the sponge still has like a little soap left in it too, but either way. Water, water, water. Always look for free water. Always take advantage of free public water, especially for cleaning, washing dishes, washing yourself, things of that nature. And that is my tip for the day. I was gonna use this grill originally, but our little friend here said he got dibs. I said, all right, brother, all right, broski, you got it. You got it, I'll take another one. My God, my bad, my bad, my bad. So we moved over here. Just as good, just as much shade. Honestly, and the grill's in the shade. The other one is in the sun, so he honestly saved me. Now, first thing is we're gonna check under there, make sure there's no bullshit. And what do we see? A fucking piece of duct tape. So we're gonna take that out so we're not burning plastic, right? This is just paper, so it's okay if it burns. It's just a little bit though. We don't want a big flame, you know what I'm saying? Put a little bit of paper, a little bit of wood. All right, guys, it is 5:15. Look at that view. It's 5:15. It's time for the sip test. Pretty sure we're done cooking here. Oh, that smoke got in my eye. Okay, here we go. Oh, where is it? Oh, cheers. Oh, yeah. Pretty good, y'all. Pretty good. All right, y'all. It's now about 6:20, almost 6:30. I just got done eating and washing all the dishes, putting them away. Now I'm thinking about cutting up that pineapple for dessert. I also just got changed into some sweats and t-shirt, more comfortable clothing. Got this water jug right here that I'm about to fill up at the bathrooms before they close them for the evening. I'm not sure what time they do that, but typically parks close their bathrooms around dusk, and we're in Northern California, so it's not gonna get dark until about 8:30 this time of year. So for now, I'm gonna go fill that up. I also just washed my feet with my rinse water from the dishes, and that is how you reuse water, baby. I have a bucket filled with water and soap, one time to wash, again to rinse, and then I use that water to wash my feet. And then I just gave myself a little whatchamacallit, walk shower / hippie shower, also known as baby wipes. So yeah, I think pineapple for dessert, maybe a little smoke, definitely a little smoke, and then yeah, it's lights out. It's night time. I'm not totally certain if I'm planning on staying here tonight or if I'm gonna go back to the YMCA, because I kind of want to wake up early, maybe do a workout, but I definitely want to shower. It has been just so hot and so sweaty today. Change of plans, since the way they have the sink set up is like the spigot is this long and it's like pressed up against the back of the sink bowl, so that you can't actually like fill up. You're not supposed to be able to fill up bottles in there. Because I just remembered the only way I was able to fill up my bucket is by taking little bowls of water and putting it, and then dumping that into the bucket. So never mind, we're just gonna wait till go to the Y tomorrow and then we'll fill it up there. Yeah. So the Y doesn't close till 8, so I need to, I can go tonight. But I have a bag full of ice that I've been drinking the melted water from, and that's been working splendidly. So we're just gonna go ahead and skip to smoke and then chop up pineapple for dessert. Okay, look how cute my van is. And then guess what? I don't give a fucking. Okay, bye. Night 2 in ISIS. My Oasis on Wheels is commencing. It is exactly 10:10 on the clock when I decided to pick up and record again. So, updates. I realize I have built-in cabin lights. Got one there. There's a little finicky one here that sometimes wants to stay on, sometimes doesn't. You know, no worries. This one works. So that's cool. Right next to the Let That Shit Go, and I don't give a fuck. Also, I noticed the same minivan that was here last night is here again, and it looks pretty, I don't know if you guys can see that, it looks pretty tinted out or like covered up like mine. So that feels like a good sign. Like this is a consistently safe place to park up overnight, at least if you are like not chilling here all day. Maybe they move. I'm not sure. I definitely wanted to be able to just get up and take a shower tomorrow. This might be TMI, but I don't give a fuck. It is, you know, that time of the month. My ladies out there, you understand, okay? You know I ran out of storage. So yeah, like I was saying, it's that time of the month. I want to be able to get up, freshen up, you know what I'm saying, and get about my day. I gotta hit the storage for some more storage, for some more bins like this, so that when I get my clothes, either tomorrow or Monday, I will need somewhere to put all my stuff. So slowly but surely, I will be making this motor house into a motor home. I'm gonna get ready to break down the futon. Actually, I might sleep on it like that tonight, because I don't know if I already mentioned this, but it was a little uneven. Like I definitely like put one of the arms underneath where the leg. I can't talk right now. I'm a little hungry. I put a pillow underneath where I took the leg from, but I don't know if that was enough to even it out, and I think I still need like a mattress pad for it to be real comfortable. So yeah, I might sleep on it like this actually. Well, we'll see. We're gonna suss it out. Gonna make myself a little midnight snack. Not midnight snack, which is probably gonna be like a cheese sandwich and some apple slices, but it sounds pretty good. It'll be enough to get me to pass out hopefully at a decent time this evening. Anyway, until next time, y'all. I love you. Thank you for watching.